What you doing?
Finalizing repairs on my 1986 Honda Helix CN250, which I have been restoring for the past 2 months. And just replaced the entire front brake assembly on today. Like a badass.
Cool shadow effect. Where'd you get this bad boy?
Craigslist.
How much?
400.
Ooh, what was wrong with it?
Mostly the fuel system was shot. Had 10-year-old gasoline sitting in it after the death of the previous owner.
How'd he die?
Murder.
Ooh.
Murder in the first degree.
Ooh.
Some mafia motherfuckers came into his house, shot him dead 6 times, and that was that. Used to own a lot of blues clubs in the city. And after that night. So, this has gotten passed around between a few different people, but now finally comes to me.
May I have it one day? I want this baby so bad. I've got a nice little urban. I don't know how much I could sell it for. I don't know how much I could sell mine for.
What kind do you have?
It's a Chinese urban. You've heard of them?
Is that the CF Moto Urban?
I don't know. I see one around town. There's a white one around town.
Yeah. I don't know. Chinese scooters are kind of a strange beast and not usually terribly reliable.
Oh, I just got a tune-up.
Still.
They tried scamming me at about 600.
For what?
Well, they originally estimated the tune-up to be at 400, and I said, okay, here's a check for the estimate. And they went on their way. And
But they didn't call you to approve any further
nope.
stuff above that.
So they went ahead and, well, like 2 months later, like I was like, oh shit, I forgot about my bike,
Yeah.
And I went out there and my bike was still sitting there, not even touched. I'm like, what the fuck?
What?
It's like, well, we're ordering the parts from China. Like, it doesn't take 2 months. You said, it's like, I've ordered stuff from China too. It takes like about a month.
Tops.
Yeah, on tops. But for fuck's sake. And like 2 days later, they called me. I was like, okay, it's done. I'm like, oh, wow.
And parts mysteriously came in the last, like, 40
Yeah,
hours.
it's like, oh yeah, they came in like right after, like the next morning. I'm like, yeah, sure. Because I brought 2 cops that night,
Yeah.
when I went to go get my bike back. And,
No?
no, but, yeah, here around. So, they were pretty much saying that I okayed the charges because I told them, like, yeah, I just want my bike fixed, quote. I'm like, okay, well, yeah, that's cool, but that doesn't mean that you can go hog wild on repairs. That's just a general statement. Everybody
So what did they need in
says
the
that.
end? What did they do?
They spent 3 hours, quote, banging away on the muffler to get all the dirt out.
That's idiotic. Who would waste that much time doing that? It's idiotic. What shop was this?
This was the scooter shop at the Triangle. Because I trusted because it was in the Triangle, you know. I was like, oh, it's a rich part of town. They wouldn't fuck with people, right? Wrong.
No, they're used to having people who have a lot more money they can extort. Why are you recording all of this?
I like it.
Alright.
It's a cool experience, the bike.
This is.
It's like, I like the controls. I hope to buy it off you one day.
Doubtful. This bitch is going across the country with me. Hey, how's it going?